Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and we do have some huge changes on the way on our weather here, especially by the end of the week as a big Arctic blast of some of the coldest air than we've seen in a couple of years on the way by Friday. Let's talk about today. Of course, the highlight today is the rain, as we do have basically just light to moderate rain over the southern two-thirds of the area. Conditions a bit drier, and you can see evidence of that in both DeKalb as well as in Texarkana as we look at the cameras from across the region. That's probably going to continue to be the case here moving forward, as we do have an upper level disturbance which is making its way through the Arklatex right now. That disturbance will continue to bring us a shot for some rain into Tuesday, but we'll see that rain more than likely wrap up. As you can see, the upper level disturbance still well back here to the west of us, so we'll continue to see all of this rain move into the southeastern half of the region tomorrow. Let's show that to you with a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight. Again, the rain will continue. The main focus will remain over the southeastern three-quarters of the area. We'll see the showers continue tonight, becoming a bit more scattered later on tonight, and then tomorrow the scattered showers will gradually end, mainly during the morning. We probably stay cloudy tomorrow. Likely we'll see a mostly cloudy sky for tomorrow night. And for Wednesday, another dry day on the way with lots of clouds and maybe, just maybe, a few peaks of sunshine. Then the big change comes, as we'll be watching a strong Arctic front which is going to move through the Arklatex Thursday afternoon, the way it looks right now. Here's a look at the longer range version of Futurecast, and you can see by Thursday morning the front still to the northwest of the Arklatex. It should move through the area during the day Thursday, probably arriving in Shreveport during the afternoon. And we should have enough time with temperatures beginning in the mid-40s to warm into the mid to upper 50s for highs ahead of the front. Notice that all the precipitation will be rain for the most part. If we see any rain, we'll see that maybe a brief change over to a sleet-snow mix with, again, that perhaps chance happening best over the northern sections of the area, but I'm still not looking at much as far as any accumulation. Then we'll see the clouds kind of move out and we become clear and get really cold for Thursday night into Friday morning, as we will be rather windy as well, as we will see some rather impressive wind chills across the region here, as well as the rather impressive temperatures. Here's a look at temperatures behind this front Friday. Lows basically 5 to 10 over the northern sections of the area, lower teens further to the south. 12 Friday morning in Shreveport, 8 for the low temperature in Texarkana. Combine that with the gusty wind, and we'll see wind chill indices pretty close to zero. In fact, northern part of the Arklatex could see the wind chill approach 10 below, as we'll see again a good 5 below in Texarkana, pretty close to zero in Shreveport. Longer range, we will thankfully not see this cold air last very long, as we will see a couple of days, perhaps as much as 48 hours, where temperatures stay below freezing across the region. Here comes that big Arctic blast, which will push into the middle of the country. It'll push off towards the east. We'll see the atmosphere modify somewhat, probably close to 40 for Christmas Day. And believe it or not, with the ridging out west gradually expanding eastward, we could see temperatures well into the 60s, if not close to 70 by the end of next week. So here's a look at your forecast for tonight. We will see the areas of rain continue becoming more scattered as we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight. Don't expect much change in temperatures. Upper 30s north, probably upper 30s, lower 40s across the southern sections of the area. And then tomorrow we will be looking at lots of clouds. The rain will gradually end, probably in the morning, as we'll see highs for the most part in the upper 40s with a few low 50s possible across the area. 10-day forecast shows that we will see the dramatic drop in temperatures. In fact, we could see temperatures drop close to 50 degrees from Thursday afternoon to Friday morning. 58 for the high Thursday, probably low teens. Again, these are Shreveport numbers. Friday morning, 28 for the high Friday. And again, we will see temperatures gradually warm up next week, back into the 60s by the middle part of next week. And again, Thursday, mainly a chance for a little bit of rain, brief period of winter precipitation possible with nothing as far as accumulation. So again, the coldest air that we've seen since that big snow event in 2021 is on the way, as much of the Arklatex could see temperatures Friday morning in the single digits.